Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage credit card offers with Wells Fargo step by step clearly. To manage credit card offers with Wells Fargo, start by visiting the official Wells Fargo website. Locate the credit card section on the home page. Select credit cards to view various options available to you. If you are an existing customer, log into your Wells Fargo account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the credit cards section in your account dashboard. You will see a list of your current accounts and any offers available to you. If there are credit card offers tailored for you, they will be highlighted. Take time to read through each offer's details, including interest rates, rewards, and fees. If an offer catches your eye, click on it to learn more. After reviewing, if you decide to apply, look for the Apply Now button. Ensure all your personal and financial information is entered accurately during the application process. Submit your application after verifying that all details are correct. You may receive instant approval or a notification about when to expect a decision. If you have questions about the offers or the application process, contact Wells Fargo customer service. Consider checking your email regularly for any updates regarding your application status. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the card's features, including rewards programs and payment options. Always read the terms and conditions to avoid any unexpected charges. Managing your credit card offers effectively can lead to better financial benefits in the long run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.